If you're a service business owner, and you're tired of customers loving your work, and then disappearing for months, this might be the most important thing you watch today. Here's what I see happening everywhere. You do amazing work. The customer's thrilled, they pay you, thank you, maybe even say I'll call you soon. And then, nothing. Radio silence. 3 months later you spot them posting about hiring your competitor. Not because your work wasn't good enough, but because when they needed you again, you just weren't top of mind. Meanwhile, you're hustling for new customers every day, posting on social media, asking for referrals, maybe even paying for ads, all while your best customers, the ones who already know and trust you, are just slipping away. But what if there was a way to stay connected with every customer automatically? A system that reminds them you exist, provides value, and brings them back, without you having to remember, call, or chase anyone. It's called email automation, and it's exactly what it sounds like. You set up a few emails once, just a handful. Then the system automatically sends them out. Your customers get helpful reminders, seasonal tips, special offers, all delivered right to their inbox. While you're sleeping, working, or spending time with family, this system is working for you. So why email specifically? Here's why email beats everything else. Social media posts get buried. Text messages feel intrusive. Phone calls interrupt people. But emails, they sit in the inbox, waiting until your customer's ready. And when they need your service again, guess whose name they see? I've seen landscapers go from 30% repeat customers to 65% in just 4 months. Hair salons where clients rebook every 8 weeks instead of every 6 months. Auto shops that stopped chasing customers and started having customers chase them. You don't need to be tech savvy, you don't need a marketing team, a simple landing page, 3 or 4 emails, that's it. The whole system costs less than $20 a month. If it brings back just one customer you'd have lost, it's already profitable. I started using this because I was exhausted from constantly hunting for new business. Now, my best customers come back automatically. My phone rings with repeat business, and I spend my time doing the work I love, instead of chasing people who forgot about me. Every day you wait is another day your competitors might be staying top of mind with your customers. Every month that goes by is potential repeat business walking out the door. I've put together a complete step-by-step guide that shows you exactly how to set this up for your specific type of business. Whether you're a barber, landscaper, salon owner, trainer, or any other service business, I've got the exact emails, landing pages, and automation sequences that work. You can download it free right below this video. No email required. Just pick your industry and get started today. Imagine never having to wonder where your next customer is coming from. Imagine your phone ringing with repeat business while you're focused on delivering great work. That's what happens when you stop chasing customers and start having them come back to you automatically. Everything you need is below. Just choose your industry and download your free guide. No email required. Get started today.